HTZSAFE Wireless Doorbell Chime 300 meters long-range wireless doorbell water. The HTZSAFE Wireless Doorbell Chime is a great option for those looking for a long-range, waterproof, and easy-to-install doorbell. It features a 300-meter range, so you can hear the chime from anywhere in your home, and it is also waterproof, so you can use it outdoors without worry. The chime is also very easy to install, with no wires required. Simply mount the chime where you want it, and then connect the doorbell to your existing doorbell wiring. The HTZSAFE Wireless Doorbell Chime is a great value for the money. It is well made, reliable, and easy to use. If you are looking for a long-range, waterproof, and easy to install doorbell, then I highly recommend the HTZSAFE Wireless Doorbell Chime. Here are some of the pros and cons of the HTZSAFE Wireless Doorbell Chime. Pros. Long range. The chime has a range of up to 300 meters, so you can hear it from anywhere in your home. Waterproof. The chime is waterproof, so you can use it outdoors without worry. Easy to install. The chime is very easy to install, with no wires required. Affordable. The chime is a great value for the money. Cons. The chime is not as loud as some other models. The chime does not have a built-in light. Overall, the HTZSAFE Wireless Doorbell Chime is a great option for those looking for a long-range, waterproof, and easy-to-install doorbell. It is well made, reliable, and easy to use. If you are looking for a doorbell that meets these criteria, then I highly recommend the HTZSAFE Wireless Doorbell Chime.